Well, hello everybody. Here we are today, the rare and endangered ant. As you can see, they're hopping up around, okay, this voice. They're going up around something. I'm gonna try and figure it out. They're getting as close as I can. Apparently, a fair amount of them are not moving. I'm assuming they're dying from something. What are they? Like, this is something you would see on National Geographic. But yeah, it's another thing I found in my yard in New Jersey. Along with snowing in the summer and some vultures. Never expect that. Now, just consider how many little ants. Oops, keep going out of focus. Try and, get you the best shots I can. But that's difficult. Like, seriously, look at all this. Look at that. I'll show you a view of the stone. Look how many ants. See that? That's all ants. All that black part is ants. Keep getting... See, you can see it moving, and... there's a ton of ants. Sorry. Oh, that was... I must have hit the, zoom button, so I'm apologizing. But still, look at this. I still can't figure out what they're covering, but seem to be centered here and here. Hello everyone, this is April 8th, 2009, and it's snowing. Oh, you see, right just past. Oh, it's not all that interesting, but hey, it's snowing. Let's see, so I'm gonna okay, snowing, even more.
On the day of the sun. I forget the name of that holiday. So that I could shoot my BB gun at the pigeon that perched on our neighbor's roof. And an anonymous text message from one of the viewers. When I was a boy, I put super glue on my grandma's picture. I did not see the light of day for some time. Daddy's here. In the backyard. He's, yeah, teeny, a little thing. And so I called the township and I figured they'd come pick it up. I told them I just can't deal with it, it's too much of a baby. Well, I'm looking at the yard and there are these two gigantic birds picking away at it.
I wouldn't even call that a bird.
I have no idea what these things are, but they're giant. They're bigger than...
Where'd it go? Where'd...
Yes.
Oh, sorry everyone, I lost
Daddy
my
says
place.
they're vultures.
Vultures don't live in New Jersey.
Jared says vultures don't live in New Jersey. That's what I said at the raptor place. I don't remember seeing any this big. It's so fascinating. You have to...
Don't worry, I've got it on video.
No, not at all. Yeah.
Tell Jay he can't get any skinnier if he's going to walk around the yard.
That's what Jay said to me. He goes, next time you fall asleep in the backyard reading a book, you better look out. He goes, how do they know if you're dead or alive?
Yeah.
Well, I guess when he starts poking at me, it'll wake me up. It's really fascinating. All right, National Geographic in action.
gruesome. Alright, bye. Daddy wants to see it.
Okay, let me just finish my final minute of video.
Wow. That's really 12 to 17 years. It's really fascinating. These look like big ones.
Mom, they weigh